Oh, you're up. Oh.
What is up, guys? We are here at Wake Island. We're gonna be doing some wakeboarding, some wake skating. The team is gonna have a real college try. This is gonna be really fun. I'm so pumped. Let's get it. Mr. Beast is on a mission to get 30 million pounds of trash out of our waterways, out of the ocean, out of the rivers, out of the seas. And I think that is absolutely amazing. Hashtag Team Seas. So we at Braille Skateboarding, we want to be a part of it. That's why our skateboard has changed form and it is going all terrain into the water today. So congratulations, Mr. Beast. If you guys did want to check out more information, it is in the description. We are trying to raise $30 million. Mr. Beast has got all these amazing creators on board. So I think he's doing an amazing thing. Shout out to you, Jimmy. Good stuff. So I'm very excited to get started with this. I've done a little bit of wakeboarding before, but never on a cable park like this. So I'm gonna get some tips from the experts here and then we're gonna give it a crack.
How you feeling, Mo?
Feeling great. This is amazing. I'm excited. Look at that. Oh, you missed it. It was like a board slide big spin. I don't know if that's really what it was. Slide big spin? I'll just say slide big spin.
You like Mr. Beast?
Yeah. He's one of the best creators out. I want to be in any challenge. I'll do it.
How you feeling, Nigel? You
Amazing.
gonna do it?
I'm trying to catch that catfish. You have no idea. It's very frustrating that it's right there and it's teasing me.
I went for a swim. There was catfish. I'm like, I gotta go swim, get the bones warm, you know. This is my first time, you know, wakeboarding or cablepboarding, whatever you want to call it. And I'm a little bit nervous, but I have faith that since I know how to skate and snowboard, that maybe those skills will transfer over. So we'll see. I'm excited.
Look at this guy! Yeah!
I got the red helmet, match the red, matching with all my guys right here. I'm ready to feel it.
You nervous?
I'm beyond nervous.
Tell me
I ain't
everything.
gonna lie. First thing I come in here, it looks beautiful, beautiful sand, beautiful day, sun shining, you know how we like it. Go straight to the water, look down, huge fish. Not gonna lie, kind of scared of fish, but they told me they don't bite. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all, so I'm about to have some fun. You might see me body a few times. Hope you're having an amazing day. Shout out the float team and shout out Wake Island. This place is amazing. Y'all gotta come here.
Give him a look. I'm scared, man.
Why are you scared?
Well, cause the guy on the boat's looking out for me, right?
It is
here.
less than 6 feet.
My guy on the boat became a metal wire right now.
It's less than 6 feet. And there's only catfish here. No gators.
I should wet it.
No gators. Nah, you got this for sure. For the vibes?
It's like easier to put it in. I'm a little bit worried
Look
about
at
starting.
this ledge.
What's up?
Ooh.
Should I just put strap in here?
Yeah. Sit down one, but it's one where you're standing.
I've only done it from a boat.
You've done it behind a boat before? Yeah. It's like literally the same thing. Just like keep your knees bent, hold the rope tight, and then just let it pull you.
How do you know when it's your turn?
So that red light, that'll
Yeah.
turn green.
Red light, green light?
And then it'll, yeah. So you're kind of making me wish I had the. It'll push the, like watch, we'll press it, and it pushes it out.
Oh.
Ready, huh?
And then just hold the rope
Oh,
tight.
he did 3 shoves.
Lean back.
Oh, I'm about to body. I'm about to body.
All right, Ricky, be ready.
You gotta be strong for this, I ain't gonna lie.
All right, let's get it, Ricky. Are you going to switch or what?
Nah,
We just talked about it all.
I'm shook.
That looks hard to get into switch.
Red light.
So yeah, hold it at your hip. At your hip. There you go.
Like
And
this
yeah,
grip?
lean back, keep both
Oh my gosh. Oh, you're up. Oh. Dang. Hey. Oh. 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 Oh my gosh.
Almost went into the big one.
I was scared for him.
I definitely ain't going second. I'm definitely not.
What happened?
the corner, man. Watch him.
They got him. They got him.
Go around the first one, but then
He's not gonna make the corner.
gotta get out farther.
Oh.
Just on the inside going. And you want to start
Put the
turning
camera on
left
Chris.
before
All right, Chris, you next.
I
Noodle.
just don't know how to get into these, to be honest.
It's all good. This is part of growing up and getting better at things you're not good at.
Tuck your toe in there first.
There you go.
Yeah, and then scooch it forward and then pull that loop.
Oh, you're just going for the wake skate?
Yeah, he handed me and he's like, here, use this.
All right, get in there.
I probably should do wakeboard to warm up first, but whatever.
Just go. I believe in you. Let's go. Get in there. Red light, green light.
I just don't want to get in the cold water.
There you go. Oh.
I'm 100% ending up in the
Oh.
Hold up, I gotta figure out how to start sitting down.
All right. Oh. Oh my goodness.
Insanely fun.
Amazing.
Right?
First tee on the wake skate?
First tee. Yeah. On the wake skate. Hey, if he got the wake skate, you can do this.
It might take me a try or two, but I think I can do it.
Oh, dude, he got it! No, he's done it before. Don't let that guy fool you.
Dude, Uzi's lying
Don't
right
let
now.
that guy
Uzi's fully lying.
Hey,
He's
what
never
is
done
he
that.
right now?
Look at him. He's a natural. He's a natural.
He's a liar, bro.
Uzi's capping that he's never done this.
He's
I
such
don't
a
believe
All right, Chris. Let's get it.
Yeah, I don't know what this is gonna be like. This is the whippersnapper.
This is the whippersnapper? Oh. Here goes Chris. Oh my. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. That was pretty crazy. Dude, that was crazy. How was it, Ricky?
It's so fun.
Yeah?
I was just saying I forgot what they said about the buoys, and I was like, uh-oh. And then I was in the wrong
Did you see
spot, and
Chris
it just
right
whipped
now?
me. Yeah.
Uzi took off with the wake
Uzi
skate.
killed it.
You're up next.
Yeah, this is my first time on this new setup actually.
But you've done this before.
But I have done this before. This is kind of one of my jams.
So you're goofy, right?
Goofy foot.
All right, so this is gonna be easy, right?
Yes.
To launch out.
The launch will be pretty simple. I do the jump.
Oh, you're
launch.
jumping in?
Yeah, where you just hop and.
All right, I gotta get a little back for this one.
You ready?
What do I do if I get back here?
Oh. I want to do that. I just want to jump in like that. All right.
Going after Rick.
Are you sure?
I'm promised.
All right. We're ready.
Pro go. This is the pro. Shout out the camera.
What's up?
right here.
What's up, guys? We're out here at Wake Island Water Park. Best place on earth. Better than Disneyland. Maybe better than the Braille skate house.
Oh, you probably could. Hey,
Call out.
we in the water with it today though. Let's get it.
Wake skate.
Yeah, that's the way to go.
You're just gonna run in?
I'll try something new.
Something new?
I've only landed it once. So
Whoa, okay. Let's get this on footy then.
no guarantee.
Oh! What a way to start his run.
That was sick.
Yeah, it was.
Like,
You
and
do
then
that
just
one.
Backboard. Oh, big spin. They got the big spins dialed.
Yeah. Oh, here we go, the homie.
Oh. What was that, switch?
You got it, Ricky. Round 2. Hey, that was really good.
It looks so like chill when you walk.
Whoa, what happened?
I'm gonna take my chains off.
It's too drippy. My launch?
That was sick.
He said his board's heavier, so it's like a little better for doing tricks and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I still do like you? Is it still doable to do tricks on this one?
It's not crazy different at all.
What should I try, Mowgli?
Just grab. Who's going? Get in there, Uzi.
I'm gonna watch this guy first.
No, you gotta
I kind of want
do.
to try a shove it. Or
A shove it?
My goal. I can't even imagine doing a kickflip on one of these.
It's like almost late flip, huh?
Kinda, yeah.
Right here.
Ah.
Rick's going. Let the older folks go before me. You feel me?
There you go. It's your
You
turn.
could honestly almost like just a half a second where you're sideways, because since you're already kind of sitting up.
Dude,
on
I feel
flat.
like y'all got the kicker. I just want to send the kicker. Oh, what is he doing? Oh! Hey, that was cool.
I feel like the kicker would be easier than that one.
Oh, I'm committed now.
Let's go.
Hey, how do I do it again?
All right, so hold on to this rope right here.
Just lean back.
Keep your knees bent, stay leaning back, let it pick you up. Pull on the rope, you're gonna fall back. So let your arms out, just let it take you. Just let go if you're scared.
All right, let go.
Dang, Glow, that was it. I thought that was it. I thought that was it.
I have to have it like this? It doesn't matter?
It doesn't matter. You can have it sideways if you want, but
In the water or out the water?
Out the water.
Out the water like this?
Well, not like all the way, but like, imagine right now the ground is the water for me. You want your heels kind of in it and your toes up. So just how you are right now.
I'm about to get smoked, y'all. When do I go?
It's green, so you're going right now.
When that thing comes around, it'll pull you.
Hit it, Glow.
Oh, here we go!
I got smoked.
You gotta stay leaning back. Are you good though?
Yeah.
I don't even know what to say.
Felt like a little rail that we skate at the Braille house, you know? This didn't hurt though. At the Braille house, it hurt.
That's what I'm saying.
That was a good one.
All right, Rick, inner monologue. What's going on?
My nice shoes about to get whipped.
Brand new skate shoes. Shout out Vans.
This is kind of hectic though.
Do a kickflip!
You got it, Mo?
Don't let it rip you forward. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Jump in, start. Wow. Oh, I think I'm gonna try and do 2 laps without falling and throw like 1-3 and be done. I think you got it, Rick.
Yeah, I feel like in a couple shots, maybe not first shot.
3 months, all right?
Oh! Almost.
Go, bro. 3, 2, like the first time I got pulled forward. I was like, I'm gonna lean back a lot.
How you feeling today, sir?
Feeling fantastic. It's been a couple weeks since we've been out to the cable, so it feels good to ride again. And my name actually means the enlightened teacher, and
Really?
I love teaching and watching people like learn new things and experience things. So my heart is very happy today. And it's so cool watching Ricky like hit the skate and watching everybody jump on the wakeboard. Some people are getting worked, some people are killing it. So it's super fun. It's good to get wet, get out in the sun, hang out with our new pals. So the answer to your question, dude? Soaked.
Stoked. Hell yeah. Love it.
What are you doing? Crazy mode. Whoa!
I want a nollie pop off that.
Oh, there's a spider on me.
Oh.
Oh!
He did a shove.
Dude, he had it.
Shove it,
I guess I'm up. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know why.
Yeah?
I like swimming. It's just a new thing for me,
Yeah.
and it's kind of intimidating not being able to control where I'm going because there's so many things in the water that I'm trying to avoid at this point of my skill level. But I am very grateful that we can come out here and do this. Like, this is
What time
awesome.
is it? I gotta boot up soon.
Yeah? Why aren't you?
I'm only gonna do I think 2 laps.
Why are you even filming?
Cause I don't know. Sheckler squatted. Yeah, dog, get down there.
Like I kickflip the Costco gap.
Yep. Nobody else is hitting that ever in
Humans
life.
shouldn't be like, oh, I can jump down that. They
No.
should just not think that.
All right, this one's all you, man. You got it.
Here we go, Chris.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah!
Mogul Lord.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Mr. Ski Man. All right, Mogul Lord, how you feeling? You ready?
I'm gonna try like that.
Yeah. Engage the core. Get that core tight.
Man, that's a workout.
There we go.
Tight.
All right, next one's all you. You got it. Hold that position strong. It's gonna be like a tug of war match. 3, 2, 1.
I feel like a chihuahua.
All right, show them how it's done.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit the shove, and then if I do it again, I'll maybe try to hit the ramp.
You're gonna hit the shove right now? Your smile brings life to my life. Light to my life. Life to my life.
I knew what you meant, and I appreciated
Yes.
every bit of that.
This camera is out of pocket
Is
good. Like, boy, you are so handsome. What in the world? Nah, I'm not putting you on camera no more. Is that John Stamos?
Uzi, hit the shove it!
Yeah! That was it. Strong core, brother.
Next one's all you. You got it.
Strong core. Believe. Believe in the lean.
Use that handle to help balance. You hold it low and strong. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. He keeps leaning back too much.
Way too much.
Yeah, I know how to do it now.
Oh! Rick's almost got shoved.
Is he getting that big spin?
First day. Yeah! Whoa!
Let's
Shove.
go, baby.
First day.
First day getting shoves already on the wake skate? That was the throwdown. All right, gang, well, that is it. Huge thank you to Wake Island. This place is absolutely amazing in Sacramento. You definitely should come and check it out. Have a go for yourself. It is so much fun. I'm hyped. That was really sick. And guys, Mr. Beast, the King, Team C's, let's do this. All the information is in the link in the description. I know Mr. Beast has some ambitious goals, but I believe in him. He is the master. Let's raise some money. Let's get the trash out of the ocean. That sounds perfect to me. And huge thanks to the Float Life out.
Give me more! Are you serious?
A huge thank you to the Float Life, our one-wheeling homies, absolutely bringing us here and shredding with us. They are so awesome as well. Make sure you check out all the awesome stuff they are doing. There are some videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave it in the comments below. We want you to learn how to skateboard, how to wakeboard, how to one-wheel. We have everything you need at Braille Army Plus membership. Let's go.